In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now, instead of tapping on Google, click on Users and Accounts and tap on Google over here, not Change button, Google. This way you will access your manager much faster. Finally, choose Google Password Manager and click on Add Password at the top. If you can't see any of those options, don't worry, it only means that you never added a password before. You can add them manually if you have at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on, log in to any website or an app that requires an account and hit Save in Password Manager pop-up. This way your first password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, hit Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website, or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!